હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, વેલકમ બેક ટુ અવર યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ. જો તમે આ ચેનલ પર સૌ પ્રથમ આવ્યા હોય તો ચેનલને લાઇક કરો, શેર કરો અને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરવાનું ભૂલતા નહીં. આજે આપણે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10th ગાલા સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીમાં યુનિટ નંબર 6 જોવાનું છે. 1 થી 5 આપી દીધેલા છે, ત્યાં જઈને તમે જોઈ લેજો. યુનિટ નંબર 6, આઈ લવ યુ ટીચર. ચાલો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. લેટ્સ બિગિન અવર યુનિટ નંબર 6. Question 1. Read the extracts and answer the questions. First question. Why were Helen's parents worried? Second question. What was Miss Sullivan? Now paragraph number 2. First question. What did Miss Sullivan give Helen? What did Helen do with it? Second question. What was an exciting experience for Helen? Second question. Third question. Why was Helen thrilled? Fourth question. Which was the first word that Helen learnt? Fourth question. Now paragraph number 3. First question. What did the teacher suddenly do? An answer. Suddenly the teacher put Helen's hand under the water tap. Second question. What did the teacher do on Helen's palm? Third question. What awakened Helen's soul? Third question. Fourth question. How was Helen connected with the world? Then answer. First, second, third question answer. Now paragraph number 4. Then the first question. How would Miss Sullivan and Helen communicate? First question, first answer. Second question. Everything around Helen was full of life and joy because. Niche answer. Now paragraph number 5. Then the first question. On what was the second stage of learning based? Second question. How did Helen learn to speak? The answer આવશે કે Helen learned to speak through the movements of the lip and the vibration in the throat. Third question. How did the sense of touch help Helen in learning words? The answer. Helen learned to speak through the movement of the lips and the vibration in the throat. Fourth question. When was Helen delighted? An answer નીચે આપેલો છે. Now fifth question. What did Helen do after uttering the first word? Then answer નીચે છે. Now paragraph number 6. Then the first question. What was unique about Miss Sullivan? Second question. Even when Helen studied seriously. Third question. Why did Helen remembered everything she was taught? Now paragraph number 7. Then the first question. Why does Helen say that she was on the path to becoming a well-educated person? Then answer આવશે. Helen says that she was on the path to becoming a well-educated person because she made maximum use of all the opportunities given to her to develop her abilities. Now second question. What shows that Helen was a confident person? Niche answer. Now paragraph number 8. Then the first question. Where did Helen move to in 1890? How old was she? તેનો આન્સર આવશે in 1890 at the age of 10 Helen moved to the Perkins institutions. Now second question, why did Helen's loneliness disappear? નીચે આન્સર આપેલો છે. થર્ડ ક્વેશ્ચન, what did Helen learn at the Perkins institution? Now paragraph number 9. First question, why was moving to the Cambridge school a great achievement for Helen? Then answer. Second question, why was Helen disturbed before the exam? Now third question, how did Helen appear for her exams? Fourth question, Helen was full of joy because she had passed all the subjects. Then answer. Now paragraph number 10. Then the first question, what shows that Helen was determined to study at the college? Then answer. Second question, how did Helen study at the Radcliffe College? Second question, second answer. Now paragraph number 11. Then the first question, why was Helen proved? Then the answer. First question answer. Second question, what was the goal in Helen's life? Second answer. Now third question, Helen had to raise funds. Then the answer. Fourth question, Helen strongly felt that she must give the others what she had gained from her teacher Anne. Now paragraph number 12. Then the first question, why was Helen worried? Then answer. Second question, why does Helen say that her teacher sacrificed her eyesight for her? Third question, if Miss Sullivan had not supported and encouraged Helen to learn. Fourth question, which sentence shows that Helen was very close to her teacher? Second, third, fourth question answer. Now paragraph over. Now main question number 2. Write whether the sentences are true or false. ખરા ખોટા લખવાના છે. 8 છે, લખી લેજો તમારી સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીમાં. Now main question number 3. Fill in the blanks selecting the correct words from the brackets. Fill in the blanks છે. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7. Total 7. Fill in the blanks. Now main question number 4. Write short notes using the given questions. First short note is Helen a gifted learner. First short note. આ રીતે તમે નીટ એન્ડ ક્લીન હેન્ડરાઇટિંગથી લખજો. ચેકાચેકી ન થાય તેનું ધ્યાન રાખવાનું. Now short note number 2. Annie Sullivan, a wonderful teacher. Second short note. Second short note છે. Now main question number 5. Read the dialogue and complete the indirect speech selecting the correct options from the brackets. First છે fill in the blanks. સેકન્ડ બેચ છે તેમાં. નાઉ મેઇન ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 6. રીડ ધ ડાયલોગ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. એમાં ફર્સ્ટ, સેકન્ડ, થર્ડ, ફોર્થ 4 છે. આ રીતે લખી લેજો. નાઉ મેઇન ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 7. રાઇટ અ પેરેગ્રાફ ઇન અબાઉટ 125 વર્ડ્સ. ફર્સ્ટ તેમાં છે માય નેબર્સ. આ છે તેનો આન્સર. લખી લેજો આ રીતે. સેકન્ડ છે માય સ્ટેટ ગુજરાત. તેની ઉપર આખો આન્સર છે. આ રીતે લખી લેજો. નાઉ મેઇન ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 8. રાઇટ અ રિપોર્ટ ઇન અબાઉટ 60 words on how the sports day was celebrated your school. In your school. એન્યુઅલ સ્પોર્ટ્સ ડે ઉપર રિપોર્ટ લખવાનો છે. આ રીતે લખી લેજો. તો આ હતો યુનિટ 6નો લાસ્ટ મેઇન ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 8. આ સાથે આજનું આપણું યુનિટ 6 પૂરું થાય છે. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.